Have you ever felt like emotional pain keep coming back no matter how much you try to stay positive? Maybe it's anxiety, maybe it's some stress, maybe some guilt you're carrying inside you, or maybe some heartbreak. And sometimes, we don't even understand why we are feeling this kind of anxiety, why we are feeling this pain. For some unknown reason, you feel that anxiety. The reason for which you can never fully explain, but you feel it deeply inside you, right? So today I'm going to show you two simple healing techniques, Ho'oponopono and EFT tapping. So these two techniques can help you release these emotions very fast, very gently, and very naturally. So by the end of this video, you will learn how you can release your anxiety, your pain using these techniques right from today. Hi, welcome to my channel, Self-Healing Mastery with Meghalata. This is my new channel. Please subscribe to the channel and motivate me to grow in this channel. As the title suggests, this channel is exclusively created for healing related videos. I thought I am anyways doing healing for lots of people. Why not I take it to larger public? So with that intention, I've started the channel. So please subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon so that you will get the notification when I release a new video. I'll be consistently sending out videos on either healing or healing related topics. In this day and age of fierce competition, stress and anxiety have become very integral part of life for people across all age groups, starting from school-going children to the adults. The stress and anxiety, when left unaddressed, they take roots at a deeper level, which eventually may turn out to be the root cause for depression or many lifestyle-related chronic ailments like diabetes, high blood pressure, thyroid, arthritis, and many more ailments. So, in order to maintain your sanity and in order to maintain your well-being, it's absolutely essential to clear all your unwanted emotions and all your stress and anxiety on an ongoing basis. If you can give little time every day to clear your negative emotions, to clear your stress, you can be rest assured that many of the ailments, many of the diseases will not touch you. So I request you to please stay connected to this channel for your next healing video. Let's first understand why emotional pain keep bothering us. Why these emotional pain are stuck in our system. Emotional pain is not just in the mind. It lives in our body. It lives in our nervous system. It lives in our subconscious mind. We hold on to old memories, regrets, guilt, fears, maybe some bad memories from childhood or maybe from generations. We may be holding on to certain memories in our DNA. So when we suppress our emotions or if we do not process them or release them periodically, these emotions get trapped in our energy system and they stay as unpleasant memories and they keep haunting us. And precisely these blocked energies stop us from growing in real terms. Over time, this can lead to stress, anxiety, chronic pain, or even some physical illnesses. So in order to truly heal, you need to release this stuck energy from both body and mind. Let's understand how these healing techniques work. Let's see Ho'oponopono first. Ho'oponopono is a beautiful ancient Hawaiian practice, and this technique is based on clearing old memories. In Hawaiian language, Ho'oponopono means to correct the things, to make things right. The core idea of this healing system is to take 100% responsibility for whatever I am experiencing in my life. Even if I don't understand where it is actually coming from, but I still take 100% responsibility. If I have attracted something in my life, I am responsible for it. Somewhere in the subconscious mind, I have stored some unresolved memories which is attracting the situation in my life. This is the basis for Ho'oponopono healing. It's so beautiful. You don't blame anybody. You take 100% responsibilities and it's about cleaning your own unresolved stuck energies by taking full responsibility on yourself. It's so simple and you simply repeat just 4 phrases. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. These are the 4 statements you keep repeating for healing yourself. So what happens when you repeat these 4 statements? You send signal to your subconscious mind that you are ready to let go of the past imprint, cleanse your energy blocks and allow healing to happen. The best part is it works even if you don't know the cause of the pain. The conscious mind may not be able to perceive why this pain is happening. So it cleanses you from the subconscious level. So when you are repeating these 4 phrases, your subconscious releases trapped emotional memories gently. Once they are released, the healing starts happening. Now let us understand how EFT works. EFT is called Emotional Freedom Technique, or you can also call it as Emotional Freedom Tapping. EFT works on body's meridian system, the same energy lines as in acupressure. In acupressure, they use needles to activate the energy channel. Here, we gently tap on the acupressure points to activate the energy channel. In EFT, along with gently tapping with your fingers on your meridians, we also speak healing statements. So when these two actions happen simultaneously, it calms the nervous system, it lowers the cortisol levels, so both combined disrupt negative emotional patterns. It processes emotions physically as you speak. Ho'oponopono works like deep emotional cleaning, whereas EFT works like an emotional release valve. It opens up the energy channels and the pent-up emotions are released. EFT allows you to process the emotion instead of suppressing it. Together, these two healing methods are very, very powerful. So Ho'oponopono cleanses your inner program and EFT clears the active emotional charge. Let's have a small demo now. Let's have a combined exercise for some of your emotion. Identify your emotional pain. Think of any emotional pain you are having. It can be stress, it can be guilt, or it can be fear, anything. Anxiety, anger, anything. You can work on yourself for any one emotion. Don't combine two or three, work on just one emotion. Okay? Our subconscious mind cannot process multiple things at one go. So we have to work on one thing at a time. Now you can begin tapping. You can follow along with me. Before beginning, I'll tell you which are the meridian points you'll be using. This is the first point. This is called Karate Chop point. You start from here. While tapping, don't do like this. Tap very gently. Just gentle touches enough to release the trapped energy. Alright? Then the next point is beginning of the eyebrows. Then the next point is side of the eyes. The next one is under the eye. The next one is under the nose. Next one under the lower lip. And after that, 3-4 inches below the collarbone. After that, 3-4 inches below the armpit. Not in the armpit, 3-4 inches below the armpit. Then after that, the last point is top of the head, middle of the head. You know, for the children, the soft spot would be there. That is the point we need to tap. Not here, not here, not here. Top of the head, where the soft spots closes for the children later when they grow up. That is the spot we need to tap. Okay? You can tap with both the hands. You can tap with left hand. You can tap with right hand. Whichever is convenient to you. Doesn't matter which hand you are using and whether you are using both, whether you are using all the 4 fingers, whether you have to use only 2 fingers. Depending on the area, on the head you can use all the 4 fingers. Below the collarbone we have a broader space to address, so we can use all the 4 fingers. But in the beginning of the eyebrow, 2 fingers is enough. You know, we don't have much space there. Side of the eye, 2 is enough. So depending upon your own convenience, you can use 2 fingers, 4 fingers, right hand, left hand, both the hands, anything you can use. The points are broadly these 9 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, understood? You can follow along with me for the instructions. You can keep your eyes open and do it. No need to close your eyes when you are doing this process. Even though I feel this anger or any emotional pain, whatever you want to address on, you can feel that. Even though I want to feel this dash means your pain, your stress or your anxiety or your anger or your guilt, anything you can feel there. Even though I feel this dash, I deeply love and accept myself. Even though I feel stuck deep inside because of the stuck emotion, I allow myself to release this pain with lots of self-love and acceptance. Even though part of me feels so overwhelmed, I am open to healing now. I allow peace to enter my body. I allow calmness to flow through me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Take a deep breath. Exhale slowly and completely through your mouth. Even a few minutes of this practice can bring immediate emotional relief. Emotional healing need not have to be very complicated. So when you combine Ho'oponopono and EFT, you're allowing your mind, body and soul to heal together. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video with your loved ones. Most of the people need healing these days, right? So share the video with your loved ones who deserve healing. Deserving is a very wrong word. I'm sorry about it. Everybody needs healing. Whoever needs the healing, please share the video with them. Subscribe to the channel so that you will get notification on healing videos consistently from this channel. If you would like my personal guidance or if you would like to attend my free healing webinar, check the link in the description box. I'll see you soon in another healing video. This is Meghlata signing off with loads of love and tons of good wishes for your health.